Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will explain what is the correct way of uploading video in Facebook that get viral. We will be able to write a title, a description, upload a eye-catching thumbnail, and paste some viral tags according to the video. First, go to Google or any other search browser and search for Facebook Creative Studio. Open the first link. You will get such an interface. Or you can log in your Facebook page here. Click on the Create a Post option. If your Instagram and Facebook page are linked, then you will see both options here. In the Post To option, click on the drop-down button. Uncheck the Instagram profile option and uncheck the Facebook page option. Next, in the Media option, click on Add Video and then Upload from Desktop or Add from File Manager option. Add a title here. Add a description here. It is a brief details about your video. You can also write or paste some video-related hashtags here. Upload an eye-catching thumbnail for your video. Write some viral and related tags about your video. Scroll up and click on Next. Next. Made some changes here if you want, like adding this video to playlists, etc. And you are ready to share your video. Click on Share, or video will be published when the uploading is completed. Here I have showed you the correct way of uploading a video in Facebook. Here is my video that I just posted on my Facebook page in this tutorial. Thanks for watching and subscribe my channel.